Alright, I want to shoot this video for anyone getting into Mindtap for the first time. That would be in the A+ course. This is what Mindtap's going to look like when you first log in. You've got several tools over on the left over here, inside of this folder right here, that are going to tell you how to use Mindtap. It'll tell you about the tools on the left over here. You've got several tools over here, such as this right here is the full book. You've got a way to keep index cards over here. This is text to speech and will read the book to you if you're listening to it on your phone and you want to do it that way. Just go through these tools and also through the start guide, and it'll give you the introduction and tell you how to use everything. If you look inside of here, there's quite a bit inside the startup guide to tell you how to use stuff. The actual course starts here. These are a couple prerequisite tests. Everything with an orange dot is graded. You need to complete all of that. And make sure that anywhere where you see an arrow, make sure you click on it. Make sure you drill all the way down. The actual course, the first part of the course starts here. And if you click that arrow, you're going to see several more arrows, and you want to keep clicking into them until there are no more. Then you know you're at the lowest level to complete everything. There are so many times that students miss stuff inside of here because you can go down 2 or 3 levels. Once you get in here, see now there's more arrows and even more inside there. There's a lot of stuff to do in Module 1 and you want to make sure you get it all done. If you're not sure if you got everything done, if you think you might have skipped something, or you just want to check your grades, you can just go over here and open the grade book. And this is a test account, so I haven't done any assignments on here, but you'll see grades here. And then anywhere where you see a dot like this or a line, that's an item you haven't done. So if you see grade, 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 and then a line, and then grade, 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 you know you missed something in there. So go back and look for that. But if you have any questions, shoot me an email, or if we're back in class, grab me and ask me.